So I thought I'd put myself up to the test and see what I could find in 10 minutes so you could see how I try to find products. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips and techniques that help out with my own Amazon FBA business so they could help you out as well. In this video, I'm going to be trying to find a good product to sell on Amazon within 10 minutes. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube like this where it shows that they found a really good product in a short amount of time, and a lot of these products that they are finding are horrible products. You would not want to sell these products or you will lose money. So I thought I'd put myself up to the test and see what I could find in 10 minutes so you could see how I try to find products. So let's get into this. Before we do though, if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, do anything to help out the YouTube algorithm so people will see my content. Thank you, and let's hit that timer and try to find a good product. Let's go. Alright everyone, we are inside my computer, and for this video I will be using Helium 10 Black Box. It's their product research tool and it is pretty popular. I use Helium 10 for everything. If you want to check it out, I have a discount code in the description below. But let's get into it. I am going to hit the timer here and we are going to try to find a good product within 10 minutes. So here we go. I hit start and here we go. I'm going to pick a category. I'm going to keep it simple, so I'm just going to do one for now. I'm not going to do all the filters you could apply. A monthly revenue, we'll do 11,321. I like to do random numbers because the chances that someone else typed those in are really slim. Minimum price, we will do $18.21. Review count, we'll do a maximum of 241. And we're not going to do the filters. We're just going to hit search and try to find a good product. Here we go. Here's all the possible products that we could sell. I've added this before, so I'm going to add it again just to look at it. It's a toilet bowl cleaner holder, whatever it is. And I'm gonna keep scrolling. Now some of these we don't want to sell, like a mattress. A lot of these are big furniture items, so we're gonna skip those. But we are gonna try to find something. What is this? This is a Cookware Organizer, so that might be a good idea. Really high price, and they're doing $13,000 a month in revenue. I'll add that to check it later. Photo ledge, picture display, wall shelf, gallery. Hanging shelves are probably pretty competitive, so I'm not going to add those. What is this? A cordless filter. Again, you get a lot of random products that you would never want to sell, but the goal is to filter out all the bad ones and try to find the good ones. Okay, what's this? Towels, sheets, rugs. Big furniture items, round metal foldable table. They're doing $21,000 a month. I'll look at that. Maybe you could do a different design. Although furniture is probably pretty competitive, but we won't know until we look. Furnish my place kids area rug. Maybe we could look at a smaller one. That one's $100. They're doing $17,000 a month. I'll look at that. I'm going to try to find one or two more products that we could look at just to see what they're doing. What is this? A floating candle holder? Flower vase, decorative centerpiece for events or wedding. Might be fragile. So I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to keep scrolling. One or two more pages. Sorry about the noise. It's raining really hard outside and the rain's hitting the window, which is really rare in California. But we're going to keep scrolling here. This is probably seasonal. It's a rose for Valentine's. What is this? A toilet crank handles? Yeah, you see some weird stuff. Alright, keep going here. Sorry if this video is boring. I'm trying to keep it entertaining by talking. Utensil pull-out cabinet organizer. $16,000 a month. We'll look at that. Oops. Alright, one more product and we are going to look at what we could do. Curtain rod. If you guys are bored, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. That's what they all say, right? Gets pretty annoying, but you gotta say it. Alright, keep going here. Floating shelf, we're not going to do that. Chair sash. for wedding and events. That's a pretty good item. Looks like just a bow that goes around a chair for $40, and they're doing $18,000 a month. We will click on that. Maybe we could do like a rose color. Trying to get creative here, you know. All right, so we got enough products. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up here, and we're only 4 minutes in, so let's start looking at them. So this is that one that I just found. It's the satin chair sash bow for wedding. So I will do, I'm trying to find the main keyword here. Chair sashes. And look at that. So there's not that many competitors. They're really pricey. And there's a lot of things you could do to make them better than what these are. Looks like the top sellers only have a couple hundred reviews. And the price is really high. So I can't imagine these being over $5 to make a little bow. And they just go around a chair. So that is a really good first product idea because it's not fragile. It's really light. It's small. You could differentiate it. And a lot of these guys have really high prices. So if you could come in and get this like a different color, or maybe like a silver and gold. Here's a gold one. But if you could create a different type of bow, this would be a decent product idea. And I just found this luckily at the end of when I was looking at products. So yeah, I'm pretty surprised on that one. I'm going to run the numbers here on Helium 10. I'm going to use X-Ray and see what they are doing in revenue. So Chair Sash has a volume of 4,800. Look at that success score. It's pretty good. I don't really go by that though. I go by the revenue, which is good. The BSR is a little high, but that is probably because this is a different keyword. It's not the main keyword. The average price is good and the reviews are good. And then I like to come down here and make sure people with low reviews are doing decent revenue. So this person has 19 reviews. They're doing $14,000 a month in revenue. 43 reviews. They're doing $6,000. 80 reviews, $6,000. 13 reviews, $1,700. So it's a little mixed, but still seems like a pretty good idea. I would want to look further into it if I had more time, look at different keywords I could target, make sure there's demand, but that is one product that might be decent to sell. So I'm going to close this one out and pat myself on the back, and here we go. So here's the other product. We have a kitchen utensil pull-out cabinet organizer. So let's do pull-out cabinet organizer. Here we go, boom. So some of these are different, but they have really high reviews. And yeah, so when I start to see people that have 2,000 or 3,000 reviews, I tend to stay away. That is a red flag, and I don't want to do that. Let me look at the time. Okay, so I still have 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's look at this. Kids area rug. Kids area rug. It's probably pretty heavy, so I'm not sure if I would do it. But if you look at these pictures, they're really bad pictures. It's like in someone's house, so you could definitely make it look better. Like this one looks like a decent rug, pretty cool looking. $87, so I'm not sure what they cost to manufacture, but if you look at these would probably be pretty popular. Let me just click on this one and see what they're doing a month in revenue. I don't really like this product though because it's pretty big and it's probably heavy. But if you do a small rug, it might be decent. But I'm going to just look at this one seller because these look pretty cool and modern. So they have different ones. So they're actually doing over $20,000 a month in revenue on this rug. But if you want to look further into it, then you can. But that wouldn't be for me because it's probably too big and too heavy. Okay, so here we go. Round metal foldable table. Round metal foldable. Here it is, accent table. And here they are. Decent reviews. A couple sellers have close to 400, but all of these are pretty low. And this one's like a wooden one. These probably fold, so it's not going to be too big in a box. Let's just look at the revenue and see what they are doing in their numbers. Again, this isn't the main keyword. You'd want to narrow that down to the main keyword, which would be accent table. But let's see here. So the BSR is really high because that's not the main keyword. Price is good. Reviews are good. Revenue is really good. You just have to create a differentiated product. What you can make different than what's already on here. Some of these don't have too many reviews, so you have room to actually compete. So that's a decent product idea. Again, I like to go down here, look at the reviews. 21 reviews are doing 69 reviews. They're doing almost $20,000 a month. 25 reviews, they're doing 4,100 a month. So that is another decent product. I would want to look further into it, but I'm in a hurry because we are running out of time. So we're not going to do the children's rug. We might save that. And then let's look at this. We've already looked at that. That's the cabinet shelf. Cookware Organizer. Boom. This is a different product than what we saw before. I'm seeing someone that has 1,900 reviews. Someone has 1,600. These are all different types of products though. So I would want to narrow it down and look at more items like these maybe. But that has a lot of reviews. So I would stay away from this one because it has a lot of competitors that have thousands of reviews. And we have one more product, less than a minute left. Here we go. Toilet bowl. Oh, here we go. Brush and holder. Boom, here we go. We're not going to be able to beat this one unless we have some kind of different design, but I don't know who really cares about their toilet bowl cleaner holders. So I would stay away from this one. And we are done. So we found actually two decent products at Wedding Sash. Let's look at that again. We still have 10 seconds, but I'm just going back to the two products that I thought were decent. And this seems like a decent product. And it's just a little thing that goes on a chair for weddings and events. Get creative, see what they have in their catalogs. It's a really good idea because I already said it, it's really small, it's light, it's not going to break. As long as it's not like a cheap product, it would be a good idea. But they're doing pretty good numbers. I would want to look further into the keywords that I could target for this. Probably sash or a chair sash. But this brings up the products here, and they are all doing decent revenue, even at the bottom. This person only has 221 reviews. They're doing 18,000. And let me just type it in one last time to make sure. Okay, guys, so here it is again. The BSR is really high because I'm still not sure what the main keyword would be. It's probably just sash, but it has really good revenue on a lot of the sellers. 11,000 is the average. Average price is really good because it's above $20. So you have room for profit on this one. Reviews are really low, so it is a decent idea for a product, so I'm happy with that. And also this product as well, if you could find like a different modern design or style that's not on here. I like to look at new trends that are coming out, so you could see how you could incorporate that into this product. Again, I just found two decent products. This one I like better, the sash. I never even heard of those. But that is how you can find a product within 10 minutes. I got lucky, I think, on this one, but that is it. I tried to find a product in 10 minutes and I found a decent product. I know a lot of the videos out there, they find these products that are horrible. They have like thousands of reviews and you can't differentiate them. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and it wasn't too boring. Again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading new videos every week about Amazon FBA and tips and techniques that will help you out with your own Amazon FBA business. All right, I will see you later and goodbye.